And 9 women ever taking in your life.
That's when me young. You understand? When you young, you know. You young, come and style my dad, same wife and children can't keep it. When me young, no man can rule my thoughts and deed. Me have 2 men I breed one time, one a country, one a town, and me have a dozen on the side, me have be 192 house. With Michael man, and Tony Spall in them, you know. That's when me young. So I've been there.
But Jerry, listen to me. But Jerry, listen to me.
Married.
Jerry, watch you now.
Married.
Jerry, watch you now. Watch you now, Jerry. Me, no need nobody but my woman.
Fine.
Nobody. She's a full package.
Yeah, fine. Wonderful. But guess what now? The time the years never there, you know. But some of the years come, turn out no one.
So Jerry, why you tell my man about
no wonder. Me tell you how me used to live. Me up me how me used to live. When me tell you me had 2 men I breed one time, the years never there at Jamaica. I may have a dozen on the side, the years never there. But when the years come, I have to shut down them early and deal with one. So, you understand? I may have the one, I'm still a have problem. I go married to one, I still a have problem. But then me never happy ever after I'm married. I hell me wake up in a... Leave me alone, yeah, man.
Come here now, wait now, come here now.
You leave me alone.
Come
me
here.
never married again.
So what? Come here, Jeremy.
Me married and wake up in a hell.
Come on, let me do. Me want to ask you something.
In a Europe, me get married, you know. I know what I just use a white woman, married to a white woman.
But here what's happening? We are get married. Jerry, we are get married in front of the whole entire world.
I don't care. I the truth me that. Me not tell no lie.
So Jerry,
me not tell no lie. Me tell truth about me.
Jerry,
and my opinion, you know. And my life, me don't start about, you know. I don't lie. And when me go through in a life.
So Jerry, you don't want me to
and me not married again.
So
me
you
married
not married
and wake
again?
Up in a hell.
So you're not married again, so you don't want me to get married to him, right?
No, me can't say that. Me not busy, you know. You are married to she, but that have to do with me. Me so next year, me 70. God say I give you 70 years to live 3 square and 10 because man too wicked to man.
So Jerry, what you know? Jerry, you come at the wedding?
Yeah, we come. But me not no fear. Tell you something.
No man, you're good man.
You're married in Jamaica.
We're sending a limousine for you, man.
You're married in Jamaica. In Jamaica you're married.
Yeah.
Fine, wonderful. I can't come at the wedding then. Because me not take my money, put by no plane, go nowhere. After virus, me not go nowhere with nobody. My house want paint in and out. Me not have no like my house want certify and rewire. Me not going.
So
I'll go to the wedding.
So
Fine, wonderful. I wish you no luck, you know.
You're gonna walk with the ring.
Me do everything what I want me to do. Because I don't really want to be happy ever after. You understand?
But you make him think no like the baby.
Think what? You can't tell the man. Stop where the man head. Make him think how he want to think. And that is the thing with you know. Allow the people them stop monopolize people's brains. Allow them make them get to do what they want with them. And you have your own opinion. And I tell you something. God give you work, you know. And God give him female work. God give woman them work and God give man them work, you know. So I'm not supposed to do your work for you. I'm supposed to use my mind for me, you know. Because God make us serve him, man. You know what I tell me, say, why man love man? Because God love man. You ever hear anything like that?
What?
Why man love man? Because God and God is jealous. God love man and make man 100 pounds a claim. Why man love man? Because God love man. You ever hear anything like that yet?
I know why
me don't analyze that yet, you know. Man love man because God love man. God is jealous. I have no other God but me.
Baby, a cake.
Give me a break now, man. I'm going to smoke a cigarette. Excuse me. I wish you not happy ever after, you know. Me there see me. Me not going to be.
Remember to come to wedding, Jerry.
Get jealous.
Get jealous. Me going to wish, you know. Long life.
Jerry, what do you think we shall name the first two?
Me don't count chicken off the hatch. Me don't count the egg before it hatch, you know. I tell you that. Me know English people do that. A man.
So we have to hatch.
No, I mean say, you can't name baby yet. And the baby not 2 months pregnant.
Of course, I'm 4 months pregnant.
Oh, fine, wonderful. 4 months pregnant. But think about, you can't think about name yet. No. But look about name, because every name have a meaning. Every name have a meaning, so you can't go and look about name now. Get a good, nice name. But I name him Damien, because Damien is Satan. Diablo and Satan name them. So them pretty.
A girl and boy, the ultra
Fine. Yeah, fine. Wonderful. I wish you all the best in life, you know, because you're young and beautiful. Are you young?
Jerry, one of name Adam and one name Eve.
That sound good too. But me say then the sin in the half go work. No, I'm not name them, sir. No, name them, sir. Them no fear sin and go get beaten, go work, and them back look handed. I want
them not going to work for nobody.
Don't name them, sir. Can't kill them. Say, evil people. Satan supposed to fuck Eve. A Satan fuck Eve, you know. Can't kill them, and the Satan one that I won't go to the land of Nod. Don't name them Adam and Eve.
No, but watch it now. We are going to recreate the Bible. We are going to recreate history. You understand?
We're going
to rewrite the Bible.
No, we're going to rewrite the Bible.
I don't think they wanted to rewrite it. I think they did a new world.
You
Don't you
understand?
think them Adam and Eve, yeah?
And them not going to work for nobody. Them going to be their own boss. Them not going to work for nobody.
No, them go work. They were put out of the Garden of Eden to go out there in the desert and work.
Babes, let's
And
start.
the man back go broke.
Jerry,
He's out here paying share baby. And they beat them, sir.
we're going to name the paper, the baby, Tom and Jerry.
No, that.
So Jerry, what name the baby?
Open the Bible and find a good nice name.
So what wrong with Tom and Jerry?
Tom no one rat and Jerry no one cat.
So you want name Jerry?
Baby, what going?
I'm here, sweetheart.
Looking beautiful as usual.
Thank you.
Glowing.
Jerry's little song gone.
Somebody in the car.
I'm come take a look at AC because outside is really hot.
So where there?
I'm at Jerry's house.
Where there, Jerry house?
I come drop off something to him.
So you wait for him again?
No, I'm not wait on him.
Okay, remember say no smoking, no alcohol. Get enough rest. Cause you need to bring a safe delivery.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I remember say I need the cream cause we need to twin more my skin pretty like
Jerry's something for come out of the car. I have something for set to you. Jerry, see me here.
Let's have some rascal. I phone now make ready. You find wonderful. So what's up on them? What's up on that? You got something on this too, you know?
Ma, sit on beside you.
Beside me.
Yeah.
So Jerry, what you say now?
No, yeah, I wish you happy ever after when you get married. You
So
can
Jerry,
get married, man. Can I know you have to analyze the sound them. I've analyzed man sound, a sound make everybody about in a sound at the good a sound first. And then the sound which is word take unto itself flesh and dwell among us. So I never analyze the sound in time I unwind. You remember where you say analyze it. Now I will analyze the sound. The sound loving like in love.
So you're jealous of me,
Jerry,
Jerry?
listen to me, Jerry.
You not time for Jerry. It sound like in love.
Jerry, more help me
The
with
spirit
something.
I'm in right now is not a loving spirit.
Jerry, more help me with something. See, when you're on our part, whether any man I look at just like, say, listen to me, the boss say, if you move up, you know.
You're not really power, you know.
Me and your par, me and him par here, babe.
Me are not really
Tell
power.
him some me and your par.
No. Me I tell I know what you see me. It's like a brainstorm, you know.
Babe,
She not
me and
call
him
my
par.
phone.
Tell him
Me
some me and your
not power. Me not power with her.
Tell him some me and your par.
She do not call. Me not tell him. You want me tell her? She's a liar. You ever go on now? I don't have a phone. I don't have my phone. She don't have my number. She don't have my phone number now.
Tell him some me and your par.
Me not telling you the lie. You want me to soon my soul. I don't me not like with you. You come like you want me to lose my soul. Ain't no woman can rob my soul, you know. Me not really power.
Me and him par, babes.
But here we go,
Me not power.
more me and more you and our
Alright,
part now.
alright. Alright, you join down for me. We make 2 flash.
No.
I will reach our
Babe.
power. Nothing.
Me and your par. Babes, me and him par here. Me a par.
A brainstorm. Alright. Then
Me
a
a
part in
par.
a brainstorm.
No. in
Brought
a-
to reality.
No, in a-
Imitation of life. And them something they were part.
Me a
Brainstorm brought to reality. Imitation of sound and life. I most of them they were par, you know. Because when you want them, something them see. But me don't know she find me, you know. Because my woman is 66-year-old and my woman can't find me. But the one you, the one you find me.
Babes, Pinky left him, yeah? Him have one girl named Pinky, she left him.
I say
Him not a
Pinky.
woman, him not have sex
Who
in
not
2
have-
years now.
Past 2 years.
Or 2 years now.
Up 2 years.
Yeah.
Since when you say Pinky. But me know say Pinky now come check me, you know. I must run a
Babes,
Pinky.
Pinky say something can't stand up.
I lie. She said I'm a liar. You better know what I do.
Him something can't stand up, and him sell roots and noni.
I lie.
Don't believe everything woman tell you. Don't believe everything. And don't tell her your secret. You ever tell woman your secret? Bun for bun and nothing, you know.
Where you tell me
Bun for bun and nothing.
Where you tell
Bun,
me
let me tell you
to
something.
bun
Me not tell you bun. You can't go see where them are doing.
Jerry.
Babes,
Man, I tell you, man.
go on, no. Babes, he must say bun for bun, don't bun me, huh? So,
Them say the best married are the one that give bun.
so why you want my man bun me?
It's my stepfather them. And when them are dead, wife knows the picnic they are road. And that me should have do. But me gonna tell man about me and picnic on road. She left me.
Babes, nobody give me no bun here.
Salaman did have 7 wife, 300 concubine. A man in name to you know, God make him. You know. Man have a thing in them name lost.
No, but Jerry, Jerry, me never cheat yet.
It don't come like cheating or nothing. If you can't afford 7 wife and they are Iraq and Iran, you can't have 7 wife. And Jamaica can have 7 wife.
But Jerry, me never cheat yet. She can't tell her that me never cheat
No,
yet.
but you're alright, you know. I just too lost to take you yet. And you Satan. Satan help make you, you know. The devil help make you in the name Lucifer.
Jerry, stop telling my man for cheat on me.
Me not them cheat by you. As a man neck with lust. You have your woman there well and right and nice enough. And Satan said a pretty girl comes and yo, whoa. But I slap that one ya. Man make with lust. Man need man and woman and biblical needs.
So when them come with them blood clot nice, come on with them occupy man.
You don't know this thing. I was some long ago.
Jerry, know everything you're gonna know.
What you know, I'm gonna put that one.
The woman has 7 wives.
Alright, Jerry, cause from me on the phone, I see say you want my man left me now. And who are gonna raise the baby, Jerry?
Let me tell you something.
Jerry, who are gonna raise the baby?
Love only love one somebody. The real love, you know, love one somebody. So if you don't have the real love, you're not safe. The real love one somebody. Love two somebody.
Jerry, that PMP.
Sex is not love, you know.
I say you have
Sex is not
PMP.
love. Now tell you 2 men who are met by sex. Adam not met by sex and Jesus not met by sex. Sex is not a great pleasure. Sex is not a love. Sex is not no love.
But Jerry,